Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy crypto right here on CMC Markets. And you will see a lot of information right here standing opened. But what we're gonna do from here is we reset all our symbols. So right now you will see this page, and now it's quite simple because we just need to click here on crypto. Then you will find here a massive list of a lot of cryptocurrencies that we can trade. But for example, let's do today Bitcoin. We click now here on Bitcoin, and now we are having here the Bitcoin chart. If you want to buy Bitcoin, it's quite simple. We go right here to the blue one. This is our order type. Fill in here the units or the amounts that we want to buy. Then we can click here on stop loss or take profit if you want to put that on our position. And then right here, just click here on place a market buy order with costs. And then right now, if you can see right here, we created ourselves a nice order. So now we just created here at 8.11 a position for Bitcoin. So this is how you can buy crypto right here on CMC Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.